Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Yesterday, I was completed the table decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal numbers, two types. One is terminating and another one is non-terminating. Already gave the table. And non-terminating also, non-terminating, non-recurring, non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimals. I gave the table also. So, which decimal numbers, which rational numbers are converted to terminating decimals and which numbers are called non-terminating decimals. Okay, once I gave some examples to you. Decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal representation of rational numbers. Example. For example, 3 by 8. 3 by 8 equals to, what is the value of 3 by 8 in decimal form? 8 ones are 8. It is more than. So, you will take 0 point. So, here 0. How many times? 3 times. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 6. 0. 60. 8. 7 times. 56. Remainder is 4 0. 8. 5 times. 40. So, remainder is 0. So, 3 by 8 equals to 0.375. Okay. Again, 1 by 7. 1 by 7 equals to, 1 by 3. First of all, you take 1, 3 table. 3 how many times? 3 ones are 3. It is more than. So, 0.0. 3 times 9, 1 0. 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 So 0.3333 and so on. This is also decimal form. This is also decimal form. 1 by 7. Okay. 1 by 7 equals to 7 table. 0.0. 1 times 7. 3 0. 4 times 28. 2 0. 2 times 14. 6 0. 8 times 56. 4 0. 5 times 35. 5 times 5 0. 50. 7 times 49. 1 0. 1 times 7. 3 0. 4 times 28. 2 0. 2 times 14. 2 0. 6 0. 8 times 56. 4 0. 5 times 35. 5 0. 7 times 49. 1 0. 1 times 7. 3 0. 4 times 28. So 0.142857142857142857 and so on. Okay, here what we observed, and we take another example. For example, 5 by 32. 5 by 32. 0.0. 1 times 32. Remainder is 18. 0. Okay. 5 times 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 1, 5, 3, 16 plus 1, sorry, 15 plus 1, 16, 2, 0. Okay, again 0. 180 minus 160, 20, 200. 32, how many times? 6 times. 192. Remainder is 80. Okay, 2 times 64, 16, 0. 5 times 160, 0. So 5 by 32 equals to 0.15625. 15625. Here in the first example, after decimal point 3 digits it ending. Here in the second example, there is no ending but one number is repeating. In the third example, after decimal not ending, 6 digits are repeating. 6 digits are repeating. In the fourth example, after decimal, it is end with after 5 digits. Okay. Which rational numbers are ending with after some digits? 3 by 8 and 5 by 32. These two numbers are called terminating. Terminating means after decimal point it is ending with some digits. That numbers are called terminating decimals. Some numbers are repeating, not ending. It is not ending, but some digits are repeating. That second and third examples are called non-terminating repeating decimals or recurring decimals. These are the two types of decimal numbers of rational numbers. Okay, these are the examples. Here observe that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857. 142857. 142857 and so on. So this can be simply written as 0.142857. Which number is repeating? You will take one bar on the 6 digits. Bar means the bar numbering is repeating again and again. 1 by 3 equals to 0.33333 and so on. So here 3 only repeating. So 0.3 bar. Bar means that whole number is repeating. If bar is two digits is there, 2 digits are repeating. For example, 0.25 bar. This means 0.25, 25, 25 and so on. For example, 0.132, 32 bar. Here 0.1, 32 bar. The bar is 32 only. So 32, 32, 32 and so on like that. Don't write 132, 132, 132. If bar is in which digits, that number only repeating again and again. Okay. Okay. Here, how many digits are repeating? How many digits here? 6 digits. 6 is called periodicity. 6 is called periodicity. How many digits are repeating? Here 1 digit only repeating. 1 is called periodicity. How many digits? The total number after decimal point. After decimal point, the total number is, which number is repeating? that total number is called 142857 is called period. Here 3 only. 3 is called period. Which number is repeating? That total number is called period. How many digits are repeating? That number is called periodicity. The number of digits is called periodicity. The total number is repeating, that is called period. So definition of period and periodicity. Period. Period means the set of digits which repeats in non-terminating recurring decimal, non-terminating recurring decimal is called period. And periodicity, what is the meaning of periodicity? How many digits? The number of digits are repeating. The number of digits in a non-terminating recurring decimal. The number of digits in a period the number of digits in a period of non-terminating decimal is called periodicity. Example, first one. 1 by 3 equals to 0.33333 and so on. This can be written as 0.3 bar. Here 3 is called a period. And how many digits? Only one digit. One is called periodicity. And second example is 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857, 142857, 142857 and so on. So 0.142857 bar. Okay. So here 142857 is called period. The total number is period. How many digits are there? 6. 6 is called periodicity. So this is the period and periodicity. Here the decimals are two types of decimal numbers of rational numbers. The two rational, that is, one is terminating and another one is non-terminating. And here non-terminating decimals are two types. One is recurring decimals, another one is non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Here the terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals also can be converted to rational numbers. Rational numbers can be converted into either terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals and terminating decimals both are converted into rational numbers. What about non-terminating and non-recurring decimals? Non-terminating non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, non-terminating non-recurring decimals. These numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Cannot written in the form of P by Q. These numbers, which numbers? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Only terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals can be converted into rational numbers. Non-terminating non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers, or it cannot be written in the form of P by Q. That is rational numbers. Cannot be written rational numbers. How would you like to non-terminating decimals means? For example, 0.235793463657442 and so on. Here, which number is repeating here? There is no number repeating. That's why it is a non-terminating. It is cannot end. And non-recurring, no number is repeating. One digit is repeating, no. Some digits is repeating again and again. That numbers are called non-terminating recurring decimals. Here there is no some digits, particular digits are repeating here, are not repeating here. So such type of numbers are called non-terminating non-recurring decimals. Okay, tomorrow how to convert the terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals into rational numbers. How to convert the terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals into rational numbers. Okay, thank you.